Welcome back to the Booze by Rob production facility, located, yes, you know it, historic Nashville, Tennessee. I got a request to make sure we put in the name where the heck we are actually located. So, got a great cocktail today, but this one was sent to me by my middle school and high school music teacher, Kaye. Thank you so much. But it's a little ironic. So the name of this cocktail is the Bitter French. Well, Kaye is neither bitter, she's actually quite pleasant, and she's not French, she's Norwegian. But maybe the Norwegians have something against the French, I don't know, but here we go. This is a champagne cocktail or a prosecco, either one. We had prosecco, so that's what we're gonna go with. So let's start building it up. We're gonna start simple syrup, regular 1-to-1 ratio of ½ ounce. And this is one where you could kind of go to taste a little bit. If you want a little sweeter, a little drier, either one, into a shaker with ice. Okay. Now, fresh lemon juice, we have ½ ounce. Perfect. Now we go to Campari, an Italian bitter aperitif. We're only going to use 1/4 ounce, but that's also where it gets that really great color. And last, for the cocktail part of it, we're using a gin. This is the Botanist gin. We're going to use 1 ounce of gin. The recipe didn't specify which one, but we like the Botanist, and it's a high quality gin. All right, so now we're going to gently tap our shaker. All right. Getting good. All right, we have a champagne flute, and that's what this cocktail is served in. With our favorite, you know it, it's a hawthorn strainer. So if I made this right, it should fill up about half of the glass. That's pretty close. Now, we're going to use prosecco or champagne. This is La Marca. It's really good stuff. Everybody's seen this. It's available everywhere. The trick here is don't fill up the glass all the way to begin with, okay? Be gentle. So, prosecco has bubbles. And the first version, it bubbled and bubbled and bubbled and went straight over the top and make a big mess. And are we going to keep it? We're going to do just fine. The garnish with this is a grapefruit rind, and you just squeeze it over the top. Also knocks back those bubbles a little bit. And here we go. From my pleasant Norwegian, the Bitter French. Cheers, folks. For a champagne cocktail, that's lovely. Wow. Kaye, nice job. Keep them coming. Cheers, folks. Stay safe and enjoy the Bitter French. That's tasty.